So here's what it looks like mounted up from a riding position. I've got that up, pull it down, and you can see everything just fine. From a riding position, I can even see the screen back here. A little bit of it on the bottom is cut off, but I like the position of the tablet here. I can just look down and track my route and see where we're going. Now on my KTM 890 Adventure, it has the mount up here. It's a 23 version, and I'll do a video on that. I like it up there. I like the positioning of the tablet up there, but it is just not very stable. I've reinforced everything. I bought the camel braces that go on the tower to brace it up. It is just, it moves so much up and down that I'm just not sure I want it up there. It's much more solid down here. Now the guys that go out and buy the big mounts and build them into the framework, they're just fine in mounting up there. But for what I do, some pretty heavy-duty adventure riding over rough roads and sandy Utah desert type rides, it's way too much play. Something's going to break eventually with all the motion in the tablet. I prefer it down here on the handlebars where it's very solid.